I'm Sherry Hall. I am so excited to be creating this video for my Google Trainer application. I'm the head curator of Teacher Tech Cafe and digital learning consultant for Region 15 Education Service Center in Texas. I've spent 18 years in education, teaching and loving students who dare to be extraordinary. And now I share that same passion with teachers in our 42 districts. Do I want to be a part of the Google team? Absolutely. I prepare and support all of our districts in their use of the amazing G Suite tools, and I want to stay current on everything Google has to offer. While it's not about the technology, G Suite is absolutely incredible for helping students release their genius. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drawings and Google Keep to streamline your workflow and build a hyperdoc that will get your students engaged and owning their learning. I'm going to start in Google Drawings, change my background to white. I've already created my text boxes for time's sake, so I'll paste those here. I want my instructions around the edges of the canvas, so I'll select a rectangular shape and drag it here on the edge of the box, and then I'll Control D 4 more times so that I have enough boxes to put all of my instructions. I can change the color of these boxes and I can drag to size as needed. Now I'll go to Tools and Keep Notepad to search for my label Hyper and find things that I use on a regular basis in HyperDocs. So I'm going to copy some text here, and I'll come over here and I want to add word art. Paste that in. I formatted the color, resized, and positioned my text. I'm going to paste in some information that I want students to begin by watching a video. I'll paste in a video that I originally inserted in a Google slide and then copied, pasted here. Still with Google Keep open, I find some of my images that I use often. I've saved to keep. I will right click and copy that image, paste it over here, and resize it. I've repeated the process for all of the boxes, pulling in elements from Google Keep. Now I will go over here and search Bitmoji, grab one of these because I have them saved in Keep as well. Add that, and I am done. I'll check my links and push this out in Classroom to get kids owning their learning and releasing their genius.